Gai norong nukui man khana bubagra phone khai sahar mani ya gulo no je bong no je adong rung kereng si kerung tongai no borok sahar ka je agreement ngai thang to ka eba kha hanai no hanmano tabi ekmatro bubagra no lama nakalai to ayo bubagra sai kalama tongo hatai kotoro o dang sa saka no phai ang public rong no phai saklai phai nai joto ni buska no ang sanai hinai
between Government of India, Government of Tripura, and the Indigenous Progressive Regional Alliance, Tripura, North. A series of meetings were recently held with the Indigenous Progressive Regional Alliance as Tripura, popularly known as Tripura Motha, and other stakeholders based on which Government of India, Government of Tripura, and Tripura agreed to make
khangkai no khlai no mar khna borok sai bo khlai ka je agreement eng lai man no borok oro je tongai rok si kurung rok borok sai khna ri ka oro hate kotoro je chaya nungya khai tongnai luku adong no borok tabuk srai ke kisa khas rang ta ka